The people in your business are prevented from solving problems. This is my 3x3 minute video to help transformational leaders make lasting changes in their organizations. Let me explain how you can tell if you've got this problem, what the causes might be, and what you can do to fix it. So how can you tell if you've got this problem? Number one, the same problems reoccur over and over again. It's not that your teams don't want to fix problems, but rather something is getting in the way. Number two, your teams have normalized the use of workarounds so that they struggle to tell the difference between putting a permanent fix in place that prevents the problem from reoccurring and putting a coping mechanism in place which reduces the impact of the problem on them or the customer. Number three, people don't talk about causes, they only talk about symptoms. It's like saying, I frequently don't reach my destination when I drive my electric vehicle, rather than, I have the wrong charging unit at home. So, what might be the cause of the problem? Number one, your people might not be in the habit of stopping to think about the problems they experience every day. They've simply gotten used to just soldiering on. Number two, because your people feel so busy, they understandably take the path of least resistance. So rather than spending time and effort on trying to get people to listen, it probably feels a lot easier to put a coping mechanism in place because that's something that's within their control and they can implement immediately. And number three, there might be a knowledge gap in how easy it can be to solve causes using structured problem solving. Previous experience of doing large improvement projects, such as those using Six Sigma, can leave the wrong impression of how straightforward it can be. Finally, what can you do to fix the problem? Number one, role model. Make a point of spending the time to talk with your direct reports about the problems they experienced the day before. Encourage them to fix the ones that are within their gift, but also commit the time to solving the problems best resolved at your level. Your direct reports will copy what you do. Number two, find a way to both encourage and allow your people to step away from doing the do and spend time investigating causes and making permanent fixes. Number three, train your people in practical problem solving and encourage them to use it. Remember, the choice to use it must be their own, but providing them with the knowledge is something that you can do. Make sure you celebrate with them when they get the win. If you've liked what you've heard or think that somebody who follows you might, then like and share this video. It might just be exactly what somebody needs to hear to make a real difference to their working lives.